What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and to this video in which I quickly wanted to cover the green Satoshi token. So I haven't analyzed this yet on this channel. I have taken a look at it quite a couple of times. It's also used on the Stepn app, I think we should call that. Next to GMT, of course, and GMT I have covered a lot. If we take a look at GST, I mean, it has been bullish today, but apart from that, we had a massive drop right here, dropping down from 7.7 all the way down to 3.8 at the lowest. So that's a massive drop. Volume is still really high compared to the market cap, so that's all great. And if we take a look at the analysis, you can see that yesterday, I think this was, yesterday we actually managed to reach this $6 level again, but we rejected quite hard of that. And the main level I'm looking at right now, and the main level that actually looks strong is this 5 or this 4.8 up until 4.6 level. And I also think that's going to hold. So the main thing I'm looking at right now is that we'll probably consolidate between 4.6 and 5.7 for the upcoming days. And GST is very volatile, so a lot could change in those couple of days. So I wanted to explore a couple of scenarios. First scenario is obviously that we break above 5.7. In my opinion, that wouldn't mean that much. That could only mean that the consolidation moves up a little bit to consolidate between 6.3 and still, I believe, 4.6. So that would just widen the consolidation a little bit. If we really want to get more bullish with GST and reach our price target at around $8, which I think would be our first price target if we become bullish with GST again. If we want to do that, we need to close above $6.3. That's the main cutoff point. If we close above 6.3, then I would deem GST to be quite bullish and to be able to reach that level at $8. But as I said, that's quite far away, because initially I think the consolidation will only be between 5.6 and 4.6, and that we won't even reach 6.3. So that's the first scenario, and both scenarios are equally possible, I think, like 50-50 as of right now. That's basically because GST right now is very volatile. We don't know where it's going to go. It is not really trending in one or another way. You can also see from the EMAs, they're all really flat. And apart from that, the whole market is really unpredictable right now as well. So we're just exploring these bigger scenarios. We're not going too much into depth, but I hope you are okay with that. The other scenario is frankly that will drop down through 4.6 so that the lower bound does not hold. In this scenario, the upper bound of the bigger consolidation won't hold. In the other scenario, the lower bound won't hold. And what happens then is we'll probably drop down to $4 at first, and afterwards probably also down to 3.8. And that would, in my opinion, change or shift the consolidation between 4.8 and 3.8, which I also think is going to hold. If we take a look at, for example, GMT, you can see that GMT was also always very strong in consolidating and in accumulating, and I think GST will behave the same way. But the price hasn't really settled in a price range yet, so it's just waiting for the next couple of days whether we're going to be able to stay above this 4.6 level and maybe reach a consolidation between 4.6 and 6.3, or whether we'll be dropping down again towards more around $4. So yeah, that's basically my analysis on GST for now. If you do have any questions about the analysis, please let me know down in the comments. And as for now, thank you for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.